When I started out online, I was fascinated by how some people were able to turn their passions into thriving businesses. Today, I'm going to show you how to monetize your blog and turn your passion into a steady income stream. We're talking actionable steps you can take starting today. Let's dive in. Laying the foundation. Choosing your niche and setting up first things first, you need a solid foundation. Choose a niche you're passionate about. This is crucial because you'll be creating content around this topic for the long haul. You want to make sure it's something you genuinely enjoy. Now pick a catchy blog name that reflects your niche, something memorable, brandable, and easy to say. Once you have your niche and name, it's time to build your online home. Set up your site using platforms like WordPress or Wix. They're user-friendly and offer a ton of customization options. Remember, your blog is your digital storefront. It's the first impression you make on potential readers and customers. Make it visually appealing, easy to navigate, and most importantly, make sure it loads fast. Google loves fast websites, and so do your visitors. Now, the key to attracting and retaining readers is to create valuable content that resonates with your audience. Think about their pain points, their aspirations, and provide solutions and insights through your writing. Your first dollar online advertising with Google AdSense. One of the simplest ways to monetize your blog is through advertising. It's how a lot of bloggers get started, and it can be a great way to generate passive income. You can sign up for Google AdSense. It's free and easy to set up. Once you're approved, you can place ads on your blog, and every time someone clicks an ad on your site, you earn money. It's that straightforward. Now, the amount you earn per click can vary depending on factors like your niche, the keywords targeted, and the advertiser's bid. But the key here is volume. The more traffic you have, the more potential clicks you'll get, and the more revenue you can generate. Focus on creating high-quality content that attracts a targeted audience. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ad placements to see what works best for your blog and your audience. Earning while recommending affiliate marketing success. Let's talk about affiliate marketing, one of the most effective ways to monetize your blog and earn a substantial income. It's all about recommending products or services that you genuinely love and use, and earning a commission when your readers make a purchase through your unique affiliate links. It's like getting rewarded for sharing awesome stuff with your audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate offer a vast network of merchants and products to promote. Find products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Write authentic and detailed reviews, tutorials, or comparisons that highlight the benefits of these products. And remember, transparency is key in affiliate marketing. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your readers. Chapter 4. The Power of Passive Income, Creating and Selling Digital Products. Now, if you're looking to create a more scalable income stream, digital products are where it's at. You can package your knowledge, skills, or expertise into ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables, and sell them directly to your audience. The beauty of digital products is that they're instantly downloadable, eliminating the hassle of inventory management and shipping. Think about the pain points your audience faces, the questions they ask, and the solutions they seek. Can you create an ebook that provides a step-by-step guide to mastering a particular skill? Can you develop an online course that helps them achieve a specific goal? The possibilities are endless. Once you've built a decent following and established a strong reputation in your niche, sponsored content can be a lucrative monetization strategy. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and bloggers who can authentically connect with their target audience. They're willing to pay you to create sponsored blog posts, social media content, or even videos that feature their products or services. When done right, sponsored content can be a win-win for both you and the brand. You get compensated for your time and effort, and the brand gets access to your engaged audience. But remember, authenticity is crucial. Only partner with brands that align with your values, niche, and resonate with your audience. Now, let's talk about the most challenging part, building a substantial following. Without traffic, it's tough to make money from any of the monetization methods we've discussed. Think of your blog as a magnet and your content as the magnetic force. You need to attract those metal filings, your readers. Use social media to promote your blog, engage with your audience, and drive traffic to your site. Platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter are great for this. Consistency is key. Post regularly, interact with your readers, and offer value in every piece of content you put out there. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show your audience that you're not just a faceless entity behind a screen. You're a real person who cares about their needs and wants to help them succeed. One of the best ways to succeed in the blogging world is by learning from others who've walked the path before you. There are countless successful bloggers out there who openly share their journeys, including how they transitioned into full-time blogging and built profitable businesses. Read their blog posts, subscribe to their newsletters, listen to their podcasts, and watch their videos. Pay attention to their monetization strategies, their content creation process, their social media tactics, and their overall approach to blogging. Don't be afraid to reach out to them, ask questions, and seek guidance. The blogging community is incredibly supportive, and you'll find that many successful bloggers are more than willing to share their insights and help aspiring bloggers thrive. Monetizing a blog takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and persistence, you can turn your blog into a profitable venture, just like I did. It's about taking action, experimenting, and constantly learning and adapting. Remember, every big blog started small. Stay consistent, keep learning, and most importantly, enjoy the process. It's an amazing journey, and the rewards are well worth the effort. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your fellow bloggers. Let's grow together and make blogging a profitable adventure. Subscribe for more tips on blogging and online income.